Today is a very proud day for all your families, some of whom cannot be with us today, but all of them would be very proud of you both. But for both of you, it will be the best day of your lives. Many more special days will come along, but you will always remember every moment of today.
Let your heart beat, let your heart beat, let your heart beat with me, with me. Amazing. With me.
We're here today to witness a very special occasion, the joining in marriage of Lee and Holly, and I welcome you on their behalf.
To witness that I, Holly Patricia Longstaff,
do take thee, Lee Peter Wallace,
take thee, Lee Peter Wallace,
to be my lawful wedded husband.
to my lawful wedded husband.
But I imagine you're feeling very apprehensive about finally letting your daughter tie the knot. But I can assure you, and this may sound biased, but she really cannot be in better hands. He always puts her first, and he will do absolutely anything for your daughter. So big ups to Leroy. Let's do it.
You're unreal, and thank you for doing everything you've done today and being my wife, which is mad. So thank you. I don't deserve you, but thank you very much for being my wife. So.